Imagine making $100 a day with no work needed, no experience needed, no money to start, but just a free trick. Yes, you heard it right, a free trick. So in this video I will show you how to earn free $100 with just simple trick. Let's start. Go to maxbounty.com. MaxBounty is a newer, up-and-coming affiliate website that already worked with some high-end brands, such as Norton, Geff and T-Mobile. They pride themselves on doing things that other affiliate networks simply don't do yet, and it's working out well for them. MaxBounty offers $1,000 bonus to any affiliate that earns a minimum of $1,000 per month for their first 3 months. That's pretty cool. They pay weekly. They have digital payout options. Let me show you how this is done. Go to maxbounty.com. Click on Become Affiliate. Select No because we want to register a new account. Type your name, company name, and your email. And click Next. Type your password, and fill in all the security questions. Click on Next. Select your country and type your phone number. Fill all mandatory questions. After that you are ready to go. And wait, there is a secret I choose to say at the end of the video to help you increase your earning. Go to Facebook, search for affiliate groups, join a group for free, and share your affiliate link for free there to increase your earnings. Remember to join a group with more members to stand a chance of getting more people to click on the link. Not all. See you in my next video. And if you want more, please subscribe, like and leave your comment if you have any concern.